Write the definition along with me, okay? A polynomial is an expression consisting of variables with coefficients and constants. For example, 3x cubed plus 4x squared plus 5x minus 2 is a polynomial. Because the variable is x over here, it is denoted as p of x. If I have 3y squared plus y minus 1. So here the variable is y. So it can be denoted as p of y. P represents polynomial, y represents the variable. So it is polynomial in terms of y. Okay. Now if you observe your powers, the power over here is 3, 2. Nothing is in the power, then the power is 1. Again over here also the power is 2 and 1. So the power of variable has to be a positive number, or I can say a positive whole number. Okay. Power cannot be fractional or negative in case of a polynomial. And highest power in the polynomial is called as degree of the polynomial. Okay. So suppose if we see our first example in px, the highest power is 3. This implies that degree of that polynomial is 3. Same way, if I see my second polynomial py, p of y, what is the highest power over there? So what is the highest power? Highest power is 2. Therefore, degree is 2. Now, this is one type of a question that can be asked to you. The second type of question that can be asked is something like that. Write the coefficients of different terms of the polynomial. So when we want to write the coefficients, How can we write this? Coefficient is nothing but number associated, that is multiplied or divided with the variable, is a coefficient. Suppose if you are having the polynomials, let us say p of t, which is t raised to 5 plus 3t cube minus 5t plus 1. So in such a case, what are the different coefficients of the different elements of this particular polynomial? I can see over here there is nothing in the coefficient, then it is 1. Again, there is no element of t raised to 4 and t raised to 2. So first we have to adjust this in terms of all the powers of t, starting from the highest power, which is 5, until the constant number, which is 1. So what do we get in such a case? It will become t raised to 5, 0t raised to 4, 3t cube, 0t square minus 5t and 1. So in this particular case, coefficient of t raised to 5 is 1, coefficient of t raised to 4 is 0, coefficient of t raised to 3 is 3, coefficient of t square is again 0, coefficient of t is negative 5, because you have a minus sign associated over here. It will be adjusted with the next number, therefore it is negative 5 over there. Got it? Now, the next thing that you have is something called as linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, and the cubic polynomial. So these are very easy things. Linear polynomial means that highest power of variable is 1. For example, 3x minus 1, 2 plus 5x, 6 minus 3y, and so on. So if you observe, if nothing is in the power, then in all these terms the highest power is 1. Therefore they are all called as what? Linear polynomials. When we talk about quadratic polynomial, highest power of the variable is 2. So if the highest power is 2, it can become something like this: 3x square plus x minus 1, or probably just x square minus 5, or you can say 7 minus 3x plus 2x square. So this all terms, because the highest power is 2, therefore it becomes your quadratic polynomial. Similarly, when we talk about the cubic polynomial, in such a case, the highest power of variable is 3. Again, 7x cube minus 9x square plus 2x minus 1. So, because the highest power over here is 3, so it is a cubic polynomial. Probably, if you take one more example, x cube minus 9x plus 1. Again, over here, the highest power is 3, so it becomes your cubic polynomial. So, that is about your different types of polynomials. Okay, write the definition with me for the zeros of polynomial. We will say over here, those values of variable which, when substituted in the given polynomial and simplified, then result is 0. Such values are called zeros of polynomial. Let us understand this with an example. Suppose if you have px is equal to x square plus 5x plus 6, and I am asked x is equal to 3, x is equal to minus 3, and the question tells us check which of the values of x is a 0 of px. Check which values of x is a 0 of px. So as per the definition, it says that the variable which value of the variable which when substituted in the given polynomial. It means that this 3 has to be substituted in the place of x, and you have to simplify. If the result is 0, then the value is called as a 0 of a polynomial. It means that if the value is not 0, then we will say that it is not a 0 of that polynomial px. Okay? So when I want to check for 3, I will say over here, if x is equal to 3, p of 3 is equal to 3 square plus 5 into 3 plus 6. Now 3 square over here is 9 plus 5 into 3, that is 15 plus 6. 15 plus 6 is 21. 21 plus 9 is equal to 30. So this is equal to 30, which is definitely not equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 3 is not a 0 of px. So this we checked, but this is not a 0. Let us check for the second number. If x is equal to minus 3, P of minus 3 will now become minus 3 square plus 5 into minus 3 plus 6. Now negative number square is going to be positive, so this will become plus 9, plus the second term plus and minus will become minus 15 plus 6. 9 minus 15 is minus 6 and plus 6, so the answer is equal to 0. So yes, P of minus 3 comes out to be 0 over here. It means that I can say x is equal to minus 3 is a 0 of Px. Got it?